Listen, y'all, let me tell you something. I'm tired of these guys telling us what we should do, what we can't do. When you walk around getting laces put on your head, when your barber puts your hairline, or maybe your hairline just starts in the middle or the back of your head, when y'all don't got six-pack abs, y'all don't have good teeth, y'all don't have good credit, y'all don't have good morals or personalities, but you want all this stuff out of females. Sis, it's 2019. I'm about to act up. I feel it in my spirit. Because I'm a real giver about it.
Hey y'all, it's your girl DéjaNikira. Welcome back to my channel. I have another video for y'all. And this video are like the top things that I need or that you need to lay your lace. So whether it's a lace closure like I have on now or a lace frontal, the top things that you need that you can't avoid laying your lace without it. I don't care what no one says, because not all of us are pure professionals. Not all of us are literally like finesses, arrogantes of the hair world. Like not all of us can do that. So the first thing you need, especially when laying lace, I don't care what nobody says, is a good mousse. You need a mousse, not a spray bottle with water, not a cakey product, not got to be. You need mousse. Mousse is the number one, because when you first get frontals and closures, they are bulky and they have so much like poof and just they don't lay. You need this mousse. You spray it on, you rub it in, you comb it back. Everyone has these new frontal styles where like the hair combs back first, you know, before it falls. They're getting this look with mousse. If you don't have mousse, it's not gonna work like that, sis. You need mousse. The second thing you need, which I was sleeping on it for a minute because I was doing it the hard way, trying to part really small sections and get my flat iron as close to the root as possible, is a hot comb, whether it's an electric cord one or if it's the good old stove flat iron, which I do have both. I like the stove only because it just heats up a lot hotter, but this is more convenient and more like travel accessible because I can go right into my carry-on case. Hot comb. This joint, after, before, whatever, if you want to do it before, after you mousse this joint down, this is the key. This is the key, because it's literally getting every hair and it's combing through your hair and laying it. But you definitely need to customize these frontals for your face, for your head. I'm sick of seeing people just slapping on things. Frontals are not one size fits all. I have a 5 head. If you take off this frontal, this closure right now, my hairline really starts about right here. Like my joint extends back. So I can get away with wearing frontals more than some people who have really, really low hairlines. And if it's not, you can't just buy any frontal from anybody and think that it's going to work for you. You have to be real with yourself. I want y'all to take the scripture out of the book of Frontals, chapter 3, verse 13. Wear for the hairline that I have and not the hairline that I want. In my opinion, I really believe that frontals work for someone with a bigger head, a bigger forehead, or more surface area to work with, as I like to call it, to slap on a frontal and finesse it. Compared to someone with a lower hairline, it takes a lot more finesse and technique and proper skill to lay your frontals. So that's what I'm just saying. We have to really take the effort, and you can't like half-ass it if you don't have the room to half-ass it. So you need your mousse, you need a hot comb, and you need a good hairspray. I used to use Pink Luster's hairspray, but then I switched over to the Got To Be Free spray. And I don't necessarily put it on my baby hairs because I don't like hard baby hair look. I like the soft baby hair look. But I spray it, and then all I do is I take a ragtail comb and I just comb it so that it's not stuck to my head, and now it's off and it's loose and it has that soft look. It's not look like it's slapped on my forehead and it's not coming off. So you need those 3 things if you're not a professional to lay your lace. And that's whether it's a glueless, because this is a glueless unit. Whether it's a glueless unit or if it's a unit that's glued down. Those are just the things that you need to walk around and tell Meek to shut his mouth. So sorry, Meek, I love you, but you're canceled. Good frontals are not canceled. Okay? So if you want a good frontal, Of course, follow me on Instagram at both DéjaNikira and Slay by Day, which is my hair page. And then add me on Snapchat so you can see how I get my looks, my everyday looks. And hit that subscribe button below so that you can keep seeing videos and tips and tricks that I want to give y'all on how to, you know, navigate this hair thing how I do. It was another quick short video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Drop in the comments below what you think, what you want to see, what you want to hear. And like always, y'all, stay cute and stay blessed. Till next time.